tabasul البريدر ملؤون tabasul المراء tabasul الأورر تلابلو البلغولة ملواسي ngaringiya ardil mangani arsal el dimukler al sel lom sodala toy malubang mga maklala toy malubang mga maklala belo ang awaya right now at current adal nga al sila Senate for instance adi imo ardil natira 12 sal say that a gender inequity, it's the opposite na gender equity. Lugumong mo osisiw ay di sirardil, osisiw ay di sirar sa alngar alsel, esegida sa edalwase, kadam la reach sa gender equity, malubang mlamut tabsul, adrevere. One of the things that I did in my past career is I was the chief for gender division. Government. So that was my job, was to look at society o masak tetera la government tetera la urior ang aringiya yagidele tabsuli di sirar dil marsal represented al legal decision making, things like that. That was one that was in the government al government. But I am a Palauan woman, right? Yeah, a governance rebelaw malaubang kretelel or telablu rebelaw ang aring saal achieve ang aring kaldorole redil. If anybody knows what gender equity is in governance, in leadership, gid el other belaw gid yamle create a gender equity raal sila governance system. Good example, aring yawan el painting ra ora ala Angel el guk mle alif el mil ali akalulaw rebelaw gaya damil ali government rebelaw gaya didekal luulang lornya ba rebelaw, right? Akalulaw arseral ngarinya painting ringil nga raigal alpa aba agar adrang partak po rock painting ay resel ora ala el ngarinya mung la forgotten like 12 or 14 something like that aluresel ora like rock painting ang ngaragal alba awan ringi ay most of the time and depict taigel toy el ora ala was a creator of awan regal painting a governance represented del galula or belaw mang basos nglay canoe with an outrigger and on the opposite side, ranggal canoe, ang nga symbol ramel, na female. That's how smart we are, other belaw. At so kung mga nga balura adal madangaliya gender equity malubang tabasulil dredra. It's right here at home. So, dalul deswel masala gender equity, adiyakal ba esiludas sul gul su bringilar adrang bayad. I learned it right here at home.